Hello everybody, I'm Serdar. Today we are going to learn how to add up several numbers in Google Sheets. Let's come to this table. Here we have the days of the week and here we have some numbers showing how many pages we read on these days. Okay, and what we want to know is the total number of pages read in 1 week. Let's come to this cell. Type in the equal sign and select this cell. Just click on it. Write in plus, here you can see plus, then select this cell. Plus, next cell, plus, next cell, plus, next cell, plus, next cell, and plus the last cell. And when we select the last cell, just hit enter. And here we get the result, which is 48. This way of adding up numbers is okay when you don't have too many cells to select. But what if we had a very long list? Okay, happily we have a formula for it. And that formula is sum. Let's come to this cell again, delete the result. Let me show this formula. Write in the equal sign, then type in SUM. And here we get this formula. Just click on it, come to this cell, select it, and all the way down. Here we see the cells from E5 to E11. Close the bracket and hit enter. And here we get the same result, which is 48. Let me show again. Select this cell, delete it, equals SUM, select it, select this range, close the bracket, and hit enter. Easy, isn't it? That's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Goodbye everybody. Thanks for watching.